Hello, Deanna McFarland here with Real Broker, and I am located in the northwest community of Sage Hill. And today, my colleague Lauren and I have a fantastic new listing to show you. She's going to tell you a bit about it, and we'll take you inside.
Lauren Madison here with Real Broker. We're here at our newest listing, 40 Sage Bluff Heights, Northwest. It features 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2,200 square feet with a fully finished walkout basement. Let's go inside and check it out.
Welcome to this stunning home that has ample amounts of features. 9-foot ceilings, rich luxury vinyl plank flooring, quartz countertops, custom rollout drawers, a custom spice drawer, stunning backsplash, and the list goes on. Have a look for yourself.
So now that we're upstairs, you'll find this large center bonus room, master bedroom with a 5-piece ensuite, walk-in closet, 2 more large bedrooms, and an upstairs laundry room with stunning cabinetry.
This walkout basement is almost completely finished with just needing baseboards and doors. Features a stunning 4-piece bathroom with marble throughout, as well as a bedroom, and has been fully roughed in for a kitchenette.
In the garage, you'll find an added man door, floor to ceiling shelving, epoxy flooring, an added water line, and 2 20-volt power. No detail was spared when it comes to this deck. Natural gas line, upgraded PVC decking with lifetime warranty, and custom rolling gate.